guys, today I have this lovemei case for iPhone 11. I ordered by Alibaba Express. It looks very nice. We proceed to open it right now, the box. Shock proof, snow proof, dust proof, splash proof, you know. We show you what it's in the case. Alright. We have this zip so we can grab the phone. I ordered the metal case. Look, aluminum. It looks very strong. I will proceed to put it in my phone right now because I'm filming by my iPhone right now, so you can check all the. This is the manual that it comes with the cell phone as well. Some small keys. And alright, so this is the lovemei case for the iPhone 11. Looks very nice. So we proceed to install it in my phone right now. Inside, it's a couple old stuff inside. So, alright. Now you can see this video 2020 lovemei case for iPhone 11.